Hey guys, if you're thinking about upgrading to Perplexity PRO at $20 per month, it offers powerful AI capabilities. But is it worth it for you? Let's break it down. So, who benefits most? Researchers and students. They get 300 plus pro searches daily using GPT-4o, Claude 3, and more for deep analysis. For the content creators, unlimited file uploads, AI-powered image generation, and advanced content ideation. Also for professionals, ideal for market research, financial analysis, and legal insights with enhanced AI tools. For developers, includes $5 in monthly API credits to integrate AI into your projects. For educators, create personalized learning materials with AI-powered curriculum design. Is it overkill? If you just need quick searches for casual AI use, the free plan might be enough. But if you rely on AI daily for research, creativity, and professional work, Pro offers massive value. So the final verdict is, if you need consistent access to cutting-edge AI models and in-depth research tools, Perplexity Pro is worth it. What do you think? Let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.